Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and I have an unboxing and this is what I got, which my husband gifted me. I I saw this online. I was about to purchase online, but I don't know how does it look on me since I have the bandolier. This is a bandolier strap and I do have a bandolier XL, but I don't have the regular bandolier, so I don't know if it's too short on me or what, but anyways, this is what it looks like. And this is the new release. I'll just remove it to this side. And this is the receipt. I'll just link the price on the description down below, so you'll have an idea if you're eyeing for this. I also noticed that their calling card looks like this now, which is nice. My SA is on vacation right now, so another SA helped me this afternoon. It looks like this. I'm so happy and excited to have this, and this is what it looks like. Here, it's all the way around. See this? I'm surprised that this is made of rubber. This is made of rubber, so it has like a 3D look to it. And this is in leather. It's very pretty. And the surprise is at the back. So it's in monogram at the back. And it's reversible. So this is actually the right side and this is the back. That's why it has made in France in here. And then it says here Louis Vuitton Paris. I cannot find I've looked at this and I cannot find the date code. So if you'll have this, just make sure to hang on your receipt, as this doesn't have a date code that I can see since this is reversible. Or maybe I just can't find it, but there's none really that I can see. So the glazing is in black and then it's in gold hardware. I'm going to insert the picture what it looks like on me on. And yeah, we can try this on I tried this on my pochette métis at the store, and I think, yeah, here. So I'm gonna grab a filet and we'll see what does it look like if I'm going to put it in here. So this is really like fun to have, that it has a black and white, it has a huge Louis Vuitton lettering on it, and at the back is monogram. So it looks like this on with the filet, and then you can reverse it to monogram. Yeah, this is a lot shorter crossbody, so it depends on your look. Like there's certain clothes that will look good if you have a shorter crossbody strap, and that's when you can use this crossbody. But mostly you can wear this just at the side of your arm. So it says Louis, and then if you want the Vuitton lettering, this is what will it show. Or you can, let's see if we can interchange it like this. This is so pretty. This rubber thing is a surprise, because I thought this is just painted when I saw it at the website, but it's actually rubber. So I'm thinking, since this is white, I have to spray like a stain-proof spray, like maybe a Colonial Carbon Pro, so it will not pick up the dirt. So this is here. Yeah, it's so cute. So if you have like anything that's in black, like I have a black skirt, it complements it really well. I have a Gucci Princetown muse that I can wear it with this one as well. So so cute. Let me know what you think of this. It's really like in your face, but for some reason it just makes like my heart sing when I saw this online and more when I saw it at the store. And the SA that I asked for told me that they just got this strap. Let me know what you think of this, if it's too tacky or what, but yeah, I just love it. So here it is. Thank you again for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Bye.